Welcome back. I don't know if you found the last exercise difficult. Let's try again. This time there are 12 verbs, phrasal verbs. Okay, so let's try. To adapt to a new environment, how are you into your new job? Do you remember the answer? Let's see. The answer is settle. How are you settling in to your new job? Settling into your new job. Let's try again. To enter a building illegally. Our flat was... What is the phrasal verb? Answer. Break in. Our flat was broken into at the weekend. Good. Let's carry on. To stop working or an emotional collapse. The lift. What do we change? Do we change break or do we change in? The answer. The lift broke down at the worst moment. To refuse an offer. To refuse an offer. I decided to answer. Turn down the award. Good, well done. To arrive unexpectedly. I was in the bar when my friends. This means that you did not plan to meet your friends. That your friends maybe didn't know you were there. I was in the bar when my friends turned up. Next one. To be quicker. To be quicker. Quick, 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 quick. I have not mentioned this phrasal verb, but it is very common. It is very common, and I'm sure most of you will know the answer. Quick, quick. The answer. Hurry up. Hurry up. If you do not know this phrasal verb, try to remember it. Hurry up. Good. To start a business, to configure a program, to create a structure of some sort. My grandfather set up this shop or set this shop up. Okay? To move your body to a higher position. Well, this is a very complicated way of saying something very easy. When you are in a chair or when you are in a bed and you... Okay, what time do you answer? Get up. Good. To progress. To progress. Or your relationship with something or somebody. Do you with your brother? Or also progressing in the sense of getting older. It is also a very common question to say how somebody did. How did you get on in the exam? It's also possible as simply a way of greeting somebody. How are you getting on? How are you getting on? How are you doing? Good. To continue. Very common. To continue. I think you should know at least the preposition. What is the preposition for continuing? The preposition is on. On. So what is the verb? Answer. Carry on. After a quick break, we carried on working. To do or to complete a task. A mission. You must, do you remember, for James Bond, you must carry out. You must carry out this mission at night. Very good. We're getting there. Okay. Not much left. So try to to do these last. To discover a piece of information, to discover because somebody has told you, or because you have read on the news, or because you have seen on television. Okay? To discover. Out is the preposition for this. To discover something is out. And the verb is not work out, because it does not require effort on your part, but find out. I found out you are looking for work. Very common. Very, very common. Good. And with this, we have arrived. We have one more final exercise. And this exercise will be the most important of all. You will have half an hour class with me to use these phrasal verbs to put them into practice. In the next chapter, I will explain what you have to do.